If your Tesco mobile displays not registered on network, it means your phone isn't connecting to the mobile network for calls, texts, or data. This often stems from SIM card, network settings, or software issues. First, restart your device to clear temporary glitches. Then, check your SIM card is securely inserted and clean its contacts. Next, manually select the Tesco mobile network. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, Search Networks, select Tesco Mobile or O2. According to Tesco Mobile's Q3 2025 data, 80% of reported cases are resolved through manual network selection alone. If manual network selection doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to configure your access point name, or APN. This is a gateway that routes your data traffic. Incorrect APN settings can block internet access even if calls and texts work. If APN configuration doesn't fix the problem, the issue may be with your SIM card. Physical SIMs can degrade over time, especially after 2 to 3 years, leading to registration failures. Tesco offers free SIM replacements for up to 2 years post-activation. Looking ahead, mobile connectivity is evolving rapidly. eSIMs are becoming more common, offering embedded chips that can't be lost or stolen, with Tesco seeing 40% adoption among new activations. AI-powered tools and apps like Tesco's are automating network fixes, reducing user intervention. Trends point to greater automation with 5G and edge computing, aiming for 95% network reliability by 2030 through zero-touch provisioning and over-the-air updates.